In today's digital era, mobile apps have revolutionized the way we conduct daily tasks, making life more convenient and efficient. Among these apps, Boost One has gained popularity for its range of services and seamless user experience. However, users may occasionally encounter frustrating moments when the Boost One app fails to function as expected. In this video, we'll explore some potential reasons why your Boost One app may not be working and help shed light on possible solutions. One of the primary culprits behind the app malfunction is a poor internet connection. The Boost One app relies on a stable internet connection to perform transactions and provide services. If you are experiencing issues, it's worth checking your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. With frequent updates to operating system, some apps might not be fully compatible with certain devices or OS versions. Incompatibility issues can lead to the app crashing or not working correctly. Mobile apps often require server-side maintenance and updates. During these periods, the app may experience temporary downtime, affecting its functionality. Like all software, mobile apps can be susceptible to bugs and glitches that hinder their performance. Developers regularly release updates to fix such issues and improve app stability. While encountering problems with the Boost One app can be frustrating, understanding the potential reasons behind this malfunction can help alleviate the situation. Whether it's a connectivity issue, compatibility problem, server maintenance, or a simple bug, developers and tech support teams are continuously working to address these issues. By staying patient and keeping your app updated, you can ensure a smoother experience with the Boost One app and make the most of its convenient services once the issues are resolved.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.